Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the issue. Issue is that when you just enable and try to enable your Face ID and they're saying that your Face ID is not enabled right now in that iPhone. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad? So just simply just follow all these steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. Just going to the settings. Just going to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you just have to just go to channel section and it's going to software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So to update the latest iOS version, you just have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. After that, just go to channel section and just scroll it down, and after going back, going to again general section and is going to the software transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and you reset all the settings from here. After that, you just connect again with your Wi-Fi and just update the latest iOS version. After that, you just go back and just going to gain the Face ID and just enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, just try to add your Face ID. After that, if Face ID is not adding, so you just have to just reset your recently Face ID. If you have one which you already add someone person which you have a Face ID. So if you don't have, don't worry, you just go back and just power off your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume button and just power off your iPhone and again on it. After on your iPhone, you're just going to again set up your Face ID. After that, your problem gonna solve. So that is the video. If your problem not gonna solve, so I think you have Face ID issues on the internal issues. So it is make sure that you just going to the nearby service mobile repairing service station and the service center and tell them your problem and they try to replace the Face ID. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.